friends, it's Dani. Today, I brought a really fun story to tell you. Somewhere on the earth, where we've never been before, there's a kindergarten for animals. In that kindergarten, there's a long-legged giraffe. Roar, king of the jungle lion. Hop, hop, cute, adorable rabbit. And hee-haw, donkey. And stomp, Firsttosaurus went there too. Today's main character is none other than Firsttosaurus. Yay, I'm the main character. But why is his name Firsttosaurus, you ask? It's because if a friend needed help, Firsttosaurus was the first to be there for them. Heave-ho, heave-ho. Phew, this is too heavy.
Oh, it's Rabbit. Rabbit, are you trying to move this? I'll help you. Boom, 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 boom.
Wow, thank you, Firsttosaurus. And he was the first to raise his hand.
Oink, 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 oink. Who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Looks yummy. I'm going to eat first. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Hee. I finished my food first. Now I'll go play. Ha 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 ha.
Firsttosaurus was always first to eat all his food. That wasn't all. Okay, let's have a race. On the count of 3, start running. Ready? 1, 2.
Stop! Running a race sounds fun. Me first. Grrr.
Ow! Guys, help me. Oh, no, Firsttosaurus! It's because you ran ahead first.
You should have looked where you're going. What should we do? Gallop, gallop, gallop.
What else should we do? We have to save him. Heave-ho, heave-ho, heave-ho. Oh, he's so heavy. Firsttosaurus, look at yourself.
Hee. I'm okay. I'm Firsttosaurus. Stomp.
He often tripped and fell. The sweet hot chocolate is ready. Let's wait until it cools down.
Me first. I want to drink it first.
Ouch, it's hot. So hot. And he got burnt like this too.
Firsttosaurus, that's why you should have waited.
So the animal friends got together to have a meeting. Guys, isn't Firsttosaurus so worrisome? If he goes on like that, he'll get hurt really bad.
That's right. And it's such a bother because he's always going first.
What could we do about it?
I might have a good idea. Whenever Firsttosaurus does something, we'll copy whatever he does. What do you think?
Ooh, that's a good idea. Let's try that. Fixing Firsttosaurus's me-first habit master plan. First attempt, copy exactly what Firsttosaurus does.
Oink, 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 oink. It's lunchtime. Everyone, come get your food. Guys, remember what to do. We go up first.
Wow, I'll go up first. Let's go get our food.
Hey, me first. I'm supposed to go first.
We are first.
Stomp. No, I'm going to go first. Move. Oh, sorry, guys. Firsttosaurus.
But then the animal friends got hurt. Their idea was a terrible failure.
Oh, trying to fix his habit just made us get hurt. We can't just sit here.
What should we do? What else could we try?
Guys, I have another good idea. Dr. Know-It-All Panda might know how to help us. Let's go see Dr. Panda.
Dr. Know-It-All, who knows everything? Yes. So, all the animal friends went to see Dr. Know-It-All Panda to ask for his advice. Doctor, we've come to see you. You see, Firsttosaurus always blah 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 blah. And so that's why we're here.
Finally, the time has come to use my taking turns medicine. When you put this in your food, it tastes bitter at first, but then grows sweeter. If the Firsttosaurus takes this medicine, he'll be able to fix his habit.
Wow, thank you! Guys, let's hurry and bring this medicine to Firsttosaurus. Second attempt. Use the magic taking turns medicine. So, we just need to put some of this medicine on his food, right? Here it goes. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, here comes Firsttosaurus. Hurry, hide the bottle. Oh, shoo.
Stomp. Yay! It's yummy fruit snack time. I'm gonna eat first. Firsttosaurus, want me to tell you a secret? Secret? If you take your turn to eat, the fruit won't taste bitter. Only sweeter. Really? Should I believe that or not? I'll try waiting then.
Firsttosaurus was worried at first. What if my friends eat all of it without leaving anything for me? What if it tastes bitter even after I wait my turn? But it turned out to be the opposite.
I'll just count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now I'll have some.
Yum. Ooh, wow. After I waited, it does taste even sweeter and yummier. I thought if I waited, there wouldn't be any left, but there's still plenty to eat. Come to think of it, there wasn't anything good coming from my being hasty. Maybe I should try waiting. Yahoo! It's time to play outside. Who wants to go down the slide?
Firsttosaurus, are you going to go first?
No, I won't go first. From now on, you guys go first.
Wow, Firsttosaurus has changed.
Whoa, great! Let's go on it together.
Firsttosaurus, who used to say, me first, now says, you first. Let's take turns. What a happy ending. I'm sure none of you friends act like Firsttosaurus, right? Remember, waiting to take your turn is the best thing a friend can do.